Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial for the OpenCart kitchen point of sale system. So in today's video tutorial we'll be seeing how we can set up a POS terminal for our kitchen physical store. So I'll be showing you the workflow at the agent's POS terminal end and what different option does the POS terminal agent gets. Apart from that, if you're already having an OpenCart platform based kitchen web store, then this particular plugin is the best one that you can get, as it will allow you to create multiple agents, physical store, POS terminals and much more options. So this is basically a ready to use OpenCart POS kitchen plugin that you can install into your OpenCart web store, and then you'll be able to create multiple agents, multiple POS terminals, and the data is then synchronized very in real time between the POS terminals and your web store as well. So let's get ahead and let's see how this particular plugin works, and let's see the different options that the POS terminal sales agent gets. But before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at my POS terminal home screen right now. So this is a web-based POS terminal, as you can see. So we'll be logging into the same as a sales agent. So I'll be entering my username and my password and then tapping on the sign in button. You can see that the products, categories and other things are being loaded up. Everything has loaded up onto the screen right now. So the very first thing that we need to do here after the sale agent logs into the POS terminal for the kitchen, he has to enter the opening amount for the cash draw. So I'll just enter that up and I'll tap here on the done button. So you can see that you have added opening balance here for today, and here on the left hand side you can see the complete list of products that are there. Basically these are the food items within your kitchen system itself. Now here we have different options that we can set and we can check out. On the left hand side here we have a drawer within which we have the different sections like home, order history, cash draw, refreshing the product category list, return orders, settings for the POS terminal, the requests, reports and the logout option for the cash draw. So now you can sell out your kitchen products very easily within your physical store as well. So what we need to do is for the configuration part, I'll be creating a new video within which I'll be showing you how we can set up the complete POS terminal from the backend there by the admin himself. So in today's video we'll just see the workflow there of the kitchen POS terminal. Now here you can find the complete list of kitchen products, as you can see, and here at the top we have the default category. You can choose the popular ones as well or other ones that are available there. So for now we have, because this is a kitchen one, so I'll just be choosing my kitchen products there. Now here we also have this particular button so as to choose our categories. So from the drop down you can choose your category, and according to that the products would then be listed here on the left hand side there. So let's go back and let me choose my food items here. Now one more thing is there for each of the products. You can see that we have an information icon, the product information. That means if I tap on that, we can find the name of the product, the price, the items left there. Apart from that, you can see a weighing icon is there. So this means that this particular product is having a weight. So if I try and add it to the cart, you can see that we have to enter the product weight there, and then we can tap on the add to cart button itself. On the right hand side you can see that the shopping cart is right now empty, and at the top we have the search icon. So the sales agent can also search for the products, like for example if I go for pizza, you can see that the related products are being displayed here for the entered query there itself. Now on the top we have the default categories, then the categories here to check and filter out the products within the respective categories. We have a search button here. Here we have a toggle button that would maximize the screen on your there on your terminal. Here we have the icon that shows whether we are online or offline. Here we have a return order option, Then we have add product option. So if within the store there's a product that's not available there, then you can create that particular product and you can add it into the cart as well. Then here we have the hold cart and the normal cart as well. On the bottom you can find the quantity tab, or the buttons there, the barcode, discount, coupon, customer, empty cart, and pay option. Now for example, I'm a customer there, and I'm going to the POS terminal there. I want to order a few products, like a pizza and a veg mix salad. So I can ask the POS terminal agent to add those up into the cart. So what the agent needs to do is he needs to tap on the product and add it to the cart, tap and add it to the cart. So now you can see that we have the pizza with the weight as 200 grams, and we have the veg mix salad as well. We can remove any of the products by tapping here on the delete button that we have on the right hand side. And here you can see that we have the VAT, ecotex, we have the subtotal and the total there for the particular order. If you want, you can also choose the home delivery option here, and then you can enter the charges for the home delivery. Now these charges depend upon the configuration that the admin has set up, or the maximum limit that is there. Actually the maximum limit for this is $1,000 there, and depending upon your option there, you can set the particular shipping cost there for the home delivery. Now apart from these information and the weight icons that we are seeing here, you'll also let me show you that here we also find the question mark, as you can see. And apart from that, you can also see a star icon is there. Now the question mark means that this particular product is having custom options there. And if we are finding a star icon on a product, that means that offer and discounts are there on that particular product. And I've already told you about the weight. It means that this product contains the weight there. Here we have the product information. Here this means that this particular product contains options, and this means that the product is on discount itself. Now let me show you the workflow there. So we have added the products into the cart, and we can make a checkout directly without selecting the customer as well. Then the default customer would name and the address would be used for this particular order that we are going to place. Otherwise you can tap here on the customer at the bottom, and you can search for the customer there by entering his name and selecting the same. And you can see that the customer has been selected for the checkout there. Now apart from tapping on the products and adding them into the cart, the sales agent can also scan the barcode and add the products into the cart. So for that he needs to tap on the barcode button that you can see on the bottom side. And if you have a barcode reader, you can scan that up and the product would then be added into the cart as well. Apart from that, on the cart you can also apply discounts, coupons as well. So if you want to apply a fixed or a percentage discount on the particular order that you're going to place, then you can tap here on the discount button, and that would bring up this particular section. And here you can set the fixed or the percentage altogether discount, and you can set the discount name as well. Whatever you enter here would then be visible here on the cart as well. So if I set it as discount name and tap on the apply button, you can see that we have the discount name as the name there, and $30 as the reduction there for the discount. If you want, you can also apply a coupon there. If the customer has a coupon, you can apply that particular coupon here by entering the coupon code and tapping on the apply button itself. Now apart from that, you can see that John Doe is selected as a customer here, just next to the coupon there. And then we have the empty cart and the pay button. Now let's tap here on the pay button, and this will bring up the checkout process. So you can also choose to deliver order in the future date if you want. And here we have the payment method that we want to choose. You can choose the cash payment, card payment, or the split payment as well. For now I'll be choosing the cash payment, and if we have any custom message we can enter that up. And here under the total payable section, I'll be entering the amount that has been tendered by the customer. and you can see that the change is to be given as $37.20. Now after that, I'll just tap here on the continue button to place the particular order within this POS terminal itself. So now let's go to the order section here, and let's go to the order history. So here's the order that we have just placed, and here you can find the details like the discount name as the name, and the discount that we applied to the orders there. And here's our pizza and the veg mix salad itself, and here's the order ID and the delivery mode of the payment there, the name of the customer, its address. And from here you can also print the receipt by tapping on the print button, and that will bring up the particular section where you can find the receipt there, and you can print that out as per your own requirement itself. So that was about the workflow of the placing an order there, and how we can search for the barcode, search, or how we can add the products into the cart using the barcode, how we can apply the discount coupon, how we can choose a customer there, how we can empty the cart, and how we can make a payment. Now we also have this option here, if you see, for the add product. So if I tap on that, we can add the name of the product that we want to add. We can add the amount there, the quantity of the product that you want to purchase, and we can tap on the add button, and you can see that the test product has been added with 3 units there. And now the customers would be able to choose that particular product, and the sales agent can place the order for the same. So this was about the add product section here that we have. We also have the returns, and I'll show you how we can do a return there. So for the return, let me first empty the cart by tapping on the empty cart as well. Now let's go back. Let me check the order history. That was order number 28. Now let me cancel that out. Now if I want to return an order, I can tap on that. I can enter the order ID. I'll select the order, and here we have 2 different products in that. So I'll just choose one product that I want to return. Let's go for the pizza there, and I'll tap here on the return order. So here you can see the order information is there. So we need to enter the details here. So I'll choose it as received wrong item, product is opened, the action that needs to be done, refunded, and then we'll tap on the submit button there, and you can see that the return has been successfully done there. And if I go to the returns order on the side panel here, we can find the order number 28, as you can see here, and awaiting products, and it has been refunded there by the POS terminal himself. So that was about the return and order at the top. Now about the whole cart. So for example, I have a product into the cart, and now the customer was there in the line and wanted to make a checkout, but he felt that he didn't have the amount there, or he didn't needed to add some more products into the cart, and he went out to get those products there. So by the time that that particular customer comes back, I can proceed further to process the cart for the other customers as well. So here I can make use of the hold cart button there to hold the cart. So I'll just select the product, and I'll just tap here on the hold cart. We have to add a note, test hold note for the customer, and then we can tap here on the hold button, and you can see that the current cart is put on hold and a new cart has been created. So you can see a new cart now. Now if I go to the side panel here, I'll be going to the order history there, and here if I go to the on hold section, here we have the previous ones, the offline ones, and here's the on hold. If I go to the on hold, here we have the on hold product, that's the veg mix salad, and we can delete this particular on hold cart, or we can recart by tapping on the recart button, and the veg mix salad would again be added to the cart there to make a checkout. So that's how the whole cart works. Now other thing is that maybe there's not the internet connectivity, so you can see that I've made it offline. We can also place the orders on offline there. I've added veg mix salad. Let's proceed to make a checkout there, and I'll choose cash payment. I'll enter the amount there. I'll select the continue button, and I'll skip the for the time being. Now you can see that the particular order would come under the offline orders. So here's the offline orders that we can see here, and this one is the present one that we have just placed for the veg mix salad for $256. Now whenever the internet comes back, you can tap here on the sync all offline orders to sync the orders there. So if I go back, the internet is back, as you can see. Now you can go to the section order history, go to the offline orders that we have placed, and tap on the sync all offline orders there. So you can see that the orders are synchronized to the servers, and right now under the offline ones, now we don't have any orders that were placed when there was no internet. So without the internet as well, you can place the orders on the POS terminal there very easily and without any hassles there. So now let me cancel that out. Also kindly note that this particular POS supports RTL languages as well. So if I go to the side panel here and I go to the settings, I choose Arabic, I tap here on the save button. Now you can see that the POS terminal would start up in the right to left manner. So here's the POS terminal in the right to left order, and now the cart and the other options are on the top left hand corner, the categories on the right hand side there. You can see that these values, the complete values, have been changed into the Arabic language there. Let's go and let's change it to English once again. Let's tap on the save button, and now we have the POS terminal in the English language again. So this particular plugin also supports the RTL or the POS terminal supports the RTL languages as well. And coming to the side panel here, if I go here, we have the home that brings up the home page. We have the order history. We have checked the order history there with the present orders that we have placed. We can check the on hold orders. We can check the offline orders as well. Under the order history, we have the cash draw, and here according to the date we can check the details as well. The opening balance can be checked, and the closing balance can also be checked here for each of the particular days there. Let me cancel that out. And what we have, then we have the refresh product list. So if more products have been added by the web store admin there, so to refresh the product list, you can tap on the product list refresh button here. You can go for the refresh of the category list. Here you'll find the return orders, complete list of return orders. Here you have the option to change the language and the currency, as I've already shown you. And then we have the request, report, and log out button. So under the request, you can see the requests of the products along with the name of the supplier and the quantity there. Here we can find the low stock products as well. We can see the requests that we have made, and we can check the request history as well. Let's go back, and then we have the reports. If I tap on the reports, we can find the report for the end of the day itself, and here you can see payment done by cash debit, the current month total order by customer wise, most popular sales, monthly total values, and much more. Let's cancel that out. And lastly, we have the log out button to log out of the OpenCart uh, OpenCart kitchen point of sale system itself. So yes, that was much about the plugin itself. That's the OpenCart kitchen point of sale system, and I hope this particular workflow helped you out in understanding the flow of this particular point of sale terminal. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul@uvides.com. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.